Namaste. I am Dr. Parijat Debchoudhury, Consultant Interventional Cardiologist from Manipal Hospital and Medithics Clinic, Mukundapur, Kolkata. On 21st of June 2026, we will be celebrating World Yoga Day. This year, the main motto is Age with Health. There are few yoga positions which helps us to lead and to live a very healthy life. Now the life is very chaotic. Too much of stress is there everywhere, and because of increased cortisol, too much of tension, too much of sedentary lifestyle, there is so much increase in heart attack. There is also increase in kidney problem, diabetes and hypertension. And slowly India is becoming the global head for all these chronic disease. Yoga is very wonderful tool to bring harmony, to bring balance in our life. Yoga positions are very easy to do. We can do it at our home with our known environment, and it can actually help us reduce cortisol level, which is the stress hormone, and cortisol is responsible for most of the heart attack. So if we do yoga regularly and change our lifestyle, go for a healthy diet and try to reduce our stress, it is sure that we can reduce heart attack rate also. So today I will be talking about two important yoga poses which we can do to reduce heart attack risks and to improve our overall health. The first one is Pavan Muktasana. In Pavan Muktasana, it is very easy to do. Anybody at home can do it. While doing this yoga position, the person who is doing it has to lie down on a yoga mat. Then he or she should be relaxed, take a deep inspiration or inhalation, and then try to bring the lower leg or knee towards the torso or towards the body. At the same time, he also should try to lift his upper portion towards the knee joint and then bend his upper body so that the forehead touches knee joint. Keep this position for 10 seconds and then release slowly. Of course, these yoga activities should be balanced with inhalation and exhalation, because whenever yoga position is done, we have to know that we have to be concentrating on our breath also, because when we are taking a deep breath and then slowly releasing it, we are actually releasing our stress from our body. So this asana will help us to reduce heart attack risk. It helps in good digestion, helps in blood circulation. If there is any blood clot in our body, it will help to remove it, and also helps in our digestive system. So this is a very good asana. If we can do regularly, it can prevent many diseases. Now I will be talking about one more asana, and that is Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana again is very easy to do. Anybody at home can do it. While doing this asana, the person has to lie down on a yoga mat on floor and then try to lift the upper portion of the body while keeping their palm on the floor and putting their all the torso weight on the palm. They should lift the upper portion of the body so that their body comes in a 90-degree position. Their feet will be touching the ground, and at this same position they have to keep it for almost 10 to 15 seconds and they can release it. Again, this is a very good asana to improve blood circulation in our digestive organ. It also helps in liver function, helps in the function of pancreas. It helps in increasing blood circulation in the kidney and helps in functioning of kidney so that kidney disease is prevented. At the same time, this asana also helps in the blood circulation in our heart, and our heart attack, heart failure or heart related other ailments can be prevented by doing this simple yoga position. So today I want all of you to go for lifestyle changes It is always better to prevent any disease rather than taking pills and taking medication, because any medicine or pills, they come with their side effect. So it is always better to go for prevention of any disease. Even if somebody is already diagnosed with a heart problem or kidney problem or any digestive issue, they also can go for these simple yoga asanas, because that will help in improving their function. So it is very important that we follow a healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, and always try to be stress-free, sleep well, and avoid any addiction. So on this World Yoga Day, it is my earnest request to all of you to live a healthy life, so that we can bring very good Indian society. We can come to that where people are mostly healthy. Thank you.